Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix your Imessage notifications. If they're not working, it's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Imessage here. If you're getting text and you're not getting any kind of notifications, the app isn't showing up with a little red square with the notification number or anything like that, and it's not popping up on your phone. There are a few different options that you can do to fix that one. The first thing that you want to do is swipe down from the top right here, and you can see I currently have Do Not Disturb on because I'm recording this. However, you will want to make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off if you want to get notifications. So just swipe down from the top. Right. Tap that notification or tap that Do Not Disturb button to make sure that's off. That will kind of allow you to get any of your normal notifications. So that's the first thing to check. After that, let's get out of here. Let's open up settings, and then let's just go into notifications directly, and let's scroll down until we find messages here. And on this, basically you want to go through and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on lock screen. Notification Center and banners are all turned on here. You want everything else to be turned on. Basically go through here and toggle everything on and make sure it's working. So another one you want to check is Show Previews when unlocked. So if you say Never here, obviously I won't show you a preview. So if that doesn't work, then Do Not Disturb. And this notification settings we want to do is go back out of here and then go directly into your messages settings here. So once you're in here, a very common thing that people miss, they might have turned on, but they miss, and it might be messing them up in terms of getting notifications from random texts. Is this filter unknown senders? So what this does is anybody that's not in your contacts list, it's basically just going to disregard those or filter all of those people. So you might want to turn that off. If you get tons of spam, you can always turn it on. However, I keep it off because I found that it was filtering some text that I wanted to actually see, and I wasn't getting notifications because of that. So go through all these steps. Hopefully that should fix your notifications. Not working. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.